Hi, I'm Patty. In this video, I'll go through a step-by-step of how to print your invitations and note cards that hopefully you've created with one of my templates, the most seamless way, which is to use the Print with Canva mode right within Canva. This is a great option because you don't have to download and upload your file somewhere else. It all happens in one place. So let's pretend this is your template and you've got the front and the back looking how you want it. First thing you do is you go up to the right corner and you look for the Print with Canva. If you don't see that, go into the Share button, go into the Print with Canva. You may have to go into the See All to find it. After you click on it, you'll get a prompt to search for what you want to print. You'll see something suggested and more products, and really if you just type in what you're looking for, you'll get there quicker. So I type in invitations and it comes with two 5x7 options. One's portrait, which is vertical, or landscape, which is horizontal. I obviously want the landscape. When you select this, it'll open a whole new document panel. I've got a bunch of things open, but you can see it opened a new one to the far right, and that's the one you'll want to be working in. So when you get into the print mode, you can see you can check out your thumbnails at the top, which is super fun. And these are all the choices that you'll need to make. If I choose rounded corners and I take a look at those thumbnails, you'll get an idea of what your finished product will look like. So at the beginning, you'll need to choose which pages you want to print. Now, sometimes it's pretty obvious because there's only a couple pages on your document, but sometimes there could be more than that. And this is where you'll make those choices. Next up is picking your paper type. There are 3 types of paper to choose from as of this recording. The premium paper will be a little lighter weight than the deluxe paper, but both these papers are a good weight for invitations. The hemp paper is a specialty option that has a lightly textured finish. It also only comes uncoated. Anything printed on uncoated paper is going to have a more natural finish to it, and the color palette will be slightly more muted, especially compared to what you see on your computer screen. If you choose a deluxe or a premium paper, you'll have 3 choices as to the finish of the paper. The matte finish is going to be a smooth finish with a slight sheen to it and a little bit of a protective coating, while the uncoated finish will have no protective coating and 0 sheen, but it'll have a more textured natural look. And it's easiest to write on, but I found with the matte finish that you can also write on it. You just need the right pen. And then there's the gloss finish, which is pretty self-explanatory. It will be your shiniest option. So we're almost there. Let's say you've chosen a premium paper and a matte finish. And let's choose rounded corners. And then just choose your quantity in this scroll down menu. There's lots of choices. And check the box if you want envelopes included. You'll have a chance to confirm all your options before you check out, so you can press continue to get to the next step. This is the proofing stage, and there's several things Canva wants you to check. First, there's this thick pink border, and if anything important is falling into this area, now's your chance to move it back into the safe zone. Canva also wants to let you know if there's a point size that is under 10. But the truth is, on invitations, sometimes you need to go smaller than that so that everything isn't competing and too big and chunky. If you're not quite sure, you can print out your PDF at 100%. If you choose to automatically fix the issues that Canva thinks you have, you'll be changing the aesthetic and the feel I intended when I designed it. So again, if you're not sure, I highly recommend you download a PDF and print it out at 100% size just to be sure, as one final proof. Now you're ready to check out. At the time I recorded this in 2025, you could get free economy delivery, which is great. So I really hope this video helps save you some time and answer some of your questions. And please consider leaving me an honest review on my Etsy shop. The link is below. Every review helps me be a little less anonymous in this giant Etsy world, and I sure appreciate it. Thank you.